Hi guys, my name is Kadrin and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox our brand new JP Combi diesel heater. So let's get started. So this is the product. As you can see, it comes in two boxes. In this box are all the accessories, and in this box it's the main heater. So I will start with the main heater box. I'm just going to put this aside for a moment. And let's start unboxing. A bit heavy. I ordered this heater through Alibaba directly from JP China Trade. It's a company that sells JP diesel heaters. Let's hope everything is in order. It's very well. And here it is. The box in here. So in this box we have the control switch, which looks like this. There's a back button and the rotary button, which also can be pushed. This is the outside temperature sensor. Some instructions for the LCD switch. Okay, we'll check this later. This is the cable from the LCD switch panel to the heater. This is the 12-volt cable, I think. This heater, it's a diesel heater and also can run from 240 volts. Some screws and some cable ties. And this is the part that comes here, like this. Okay. And we have the instruct manual and installing instructions. And the heater is mounted on a plywood sheet, and I think I have to take this cardboard out first. This is our heater. These are the 4 outlets for the air, the hot air. Here is the intake and the exhaust. And fresh water outlet, so the hot water is here. And here is the diesel intake, and this is the fresh water inlet. Here are some specifications. Storage capacity 10 liters for the water, for the boiler. Heat power maximum 6 kilowatts. Power supply DC between 10.5 and 16 volts. And 220 volts. So I will put it back in the box for a moment to open the other box. This is the accessories box, and we should have everything needed to operate this machinery. The vents and holders. This is the hose for diesel. Some valves. Here we have clamps, screws, the diesel filter, the pump mount, here is another electrical cable that runs from the pump to the heater. This is the pipe that goes in the diesel tank. This is the 12-volt diesel pump. And here we have some valves. And in this bag we have the air and exhaust, air intake and exhaust, which will be mounted on the side of the van. Have to make a hole in the van and connect this black hose. It's for the exhaust, and in the middle it's the air intake, which is a hose inside here. This is another hose for the diesel, and we have two 4-meter ducts for the hot air. And as I said, here is the hose for the air intake and the exhaust. The black one is for the exhaust. So this is all what you get. Thank you. the video of unboxing our JP diesel combi water and air heater. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a like if you did. If not, please give us 2 likes. And I will hope to see you in the next videos when we are going to install this JP heater. Also, if you have any questions about the product or any comments, please leave them in the comment section. And please subscribe to our channel. It will help us a lot. Thank you very much. See ya.